Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Very often I'm asked, what did you see today in the water? And today, this is what I saw. Can you see it? It's right there. Look, it's moving. Yes, it's an octopus. How beautiful. This was filmed in Sydney at Parsley Bay, and many of the swimmers are completely unaware of what's in the water. And if you have Netflix, I would highly recommend the movie My Octopus Teacher. It's a beautiful movie about a connection between an octopus and a man, and how he overcame his life difficulties by meeting this one little octopus, and he visited him daily over a year. Anyways, check it out. It's called My Octopus Teacher. And if you like my interactions with nature, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.